Hey sisters, well hey Saffies, aka Beans, also known as the Beans. Anyways, hi Beans Squad, well the Saffy Clan, Beans Squad, same thing, cause y'all are my viewers. So, we're here, and I'm checking out the rework, skirt, aka this thing. So I'm gonna show you some cool things about it in just a second. Just let's get it to. So I know everybody has already talked about it and worn it and stuff, but so, you know how so a lot of you might already know this, but you know how you can change the socks and stuff? Well, if you click your torso, it will say, well, if you're wearing the shoes I'm wearing, it'll say change to shorts, no socks. And actually, when you're wearing this skirt right here, you can actually remove the apron, and it's so pretty. Oh my god, you can go from maid to princess real quick, sis. Like right away. Oh my god, something's blocking my microphone. It was probably really hard to hear me. Okay, so what I'm saying, wear apron. But yeah, so it's just really cute, and yeah. So that's the new rework. I'm also going to be reviewing the fluttering butterfly skirt. Now, the thing about this one is it's definitely not my favorite set. It's cute, but I really don't know the purpose of it yet that I'm going to use it for. But very cute, very good job making it. Love it, but still. Not my favorite set. I'm probably going to buy doubles because, they're pretty cheap. It's actually the cheapest set I've ever seen in, my whole lifetime. Also, we're going to change our name back, and we're going to change back to our everyday Monica the cat. Now, normally I'll do, cat prince or cat princess, rat princess, or, dragon princess with the characters. But today, we're going for Monica. There. And then I'm going to put the cat. Now let's dress up. Okay. So, I should actually wear the Monica hairstyle, believe it or not. In my opinion, that's what I'm going to do. Okay. Oh, okay. Now I see why. Okay. The hairstyle is absolutely adorable. I love it. Oh my god. Wait. I need to find a better hair color. Also, guys, I will be, checking out the channel, making sure I know, when to upload and, what video ideas I have. No, now that I think about it, I want to change the hair. All these hairstyles are super cute, but they make my head really big. Oh my god, I love this hair so much. It's so pretty. But this is one of my favorites. So I think we're going to go with this one. Now, we obviously got to put our light orange and then the brown. That's the darkest brown in, the everyday palettes. Now, let's check this out. I don't see where the colors are, at all. Here, we can go in here, into the light. Yeah, let's go into the light. Now, this hairstyle is beautiful, and I mean beautiful, one of my favorites now. It also reminds me a lot of, gacha, you know, because, I've been doing a lot of gacha, animating lately, and it just reminds me a lot of it. For some reason, I honestly don't know why. Oh my god, I can't. This outfit is so cute.
There's inputs.
No, I obviously gotta find our face again. Anime. What face did she have? I honestly forgot. I don't think it was this one. I think it was a different one. Okay, wait.
I just have to wash my hands, Leo.
Sorry guys, in the background, stuffs. And green eyes. What eyes did she have? I seriously forgot. How did I forget how my own character was made? I'm so stupid. Oh my god. Here, wait, what face was she wearing? What face did I put? Oh my god. Wait, okay. I'm thinking it was this one. No. It was a different one, right? Yeah. Huh? I'm honestly not sure. I'm gonna have to go back to the last video to find it, but in today's video we're just gonna go with does this one work? No. It makes my head look bigger than it already is. Can I have one? Okay, so this is super pretty. Actually, no. Absolutely not. Okay. Anyway, green eyes.
Please don't get ink all over my desk.
Okay, just wait. Natural. All natural, baby. Okay. I like this face, and I use it quite a lot because it's pretty cute. I love these faces. I use this one for Dragon Princess. And this one, I think I'm gonna make one off of it. Oh my god, I used this face with the pink eyes for Rat Princess. And they're literally so pretty. Royal High, if any of the devs are watching this, well, there's no chance. No way. But like, please, never take this face out of the game. Because my favorite faces that I used to use all the time got taken out of the game, and it really upset me. Because, like, I play this game, and, you know, like, I like it. Me trying to get the devs to not take away my favorite faces in the whole entire game. But they keep coming out with new faces. Now I remember. This face. This face. Now I love it. Like, I can't with this face. It's beautiful. Like, what? Oh, we gotta go to, like, really dark colors. Oh, actually, love it. Love it. Oh my god. Sis is really killing it, though. Okay. Hats. Oh my god. Did someone just put a tent in my face? Someone put a tent in my face. That is so disrespectful. Yeah, just kidding, guys, but I'm kind of annoyed with that. That annoyed me. That kind of hurted, though. Oh my god. Okay, anyways. Tails. Yes, that's what we were looking for. I forgot. JK, but it keeps glitching. Okay, I'm gonna make it brown. Because, like, the character's brown haired. It's like, it makes sense. Like, everyday sense. You get what I mean? You feel me, sis? Okay. I love this outfit. Sis is... Oh my... Billy has come. Okay. Sis really killing it, though. Okay, anyways. Who are you talking to? I'm making a video. So, today, what else I wanted to talk about in today's video is this. I mean, I already spoke about this, but like, wait, who made this? Who made the set? Is my question. Who made the set? No, I keep going to the accessories. Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm probably gonna say Crystal Flowerty? Flowerty. I'm sorry, I can't say it right. But beautiful set. And yeah, thanks. Because I'm definitely gonna be using it for Monica. And I'm probably at some point gonna cosplay as this and post it on TikTok. Because why not? And I almost got hair long enough to do the cosplay. I might not even need to wear a wig. But anyways, sis. In my last, like in the first video about this where I secretly... So basically, in my like second most recent video that came like 2 videos before this, I discovered about the update, and that was that. And I never really got to like actually diamond farm like I was saying. We've spent 11 minutes making this character. Whoa, Yankee with no grip. I mean, I guess coloring characters does really take a long time. And we had to scroll a lot to find the face. But, so anyways, I'm gonna use diamond farming methods. 'Cause yeah, my first farming method is to go to the trading hub. Now this is the most effective way to get diamonds. I swear, guys. Totally not a joke for the meme. Here, anyways, so you go to the trading hub. It's actually gonna kind of be hard to do because, like, sis, we're selling stuff. And not many people buy things because they're like, I'm too poor for that. Here, let's trade you, sis. Sis, let me trade you. Thank you. If found, please return to. Hi. Hi. Okay, so anyways. And then I just put my stuff up for trade. Whatever I'm selling. Okay. This is what I am selling. So you just basically take any slightly value items you don't really care about that you want to sell for money, because it means you're going to get a lot of diamonds from the buyer, but it's not really going to affect you. Because also try to get duplicates of like anything you can. If you can get a duplicate, do it. If it's free, get your duplicates or buy duplicates if you don't really care and you're just saving up over and over for doubles of the set, whatever set you're buying, just so that way you can like get enough to trade extras. Oh, okay.
Single shooter for $3.
They spelled that wrong, but okay.
I'm saying level 8 at instant.
But so the thing is, well, bean. And so we ran out of recording time. It's here. So gonna do the intro while we wait. So by the way, thanks for watching and goodbye, bye sis. Yeah!